Okay, so welcome back, everybody. If you're watching this video, I believe that means that you've already watched the plurality and runoff video. If you haven't, you want to go back and watch the plurality and runoff winner videos as well. But today we're going to focus on the Borda count. So just to give you a refresher, we tallied the results on the last video, and we found that this was the set of results from our preference ranking in terms of ice cream among the different students at Hall and Conard who are taking this class right now. So we had 30 people who voted, and in the last video we found that the plurality and runoff winner was cookies and cream. So we're going to see today if the Borda count winner is also cookies and cream. So I will draw your attention to this bottom definition right here. Okay, the Borda count. So the Borda count says that the lowest ranked candidate is given 1 point, the second lowest candidate is given 2 points, and so on. So the top candidate is going to receive points that are equal to the number of candidates. So let me just put that in simpler terms in terms of the ice cream here. And that means that we're going to look at all 10 people in this column. And for cookies and cream, you see how they've ranked cookies and cream number 1? Well, we're going to give 3 points to every one of those votes because there are 3 categories of ice cream, right? We have cookies and cream, mint chocolate chip, and strawberry. So I think the easiest way to do this is to just show you. So I'm going to go up here, and we are doing, let me find my spot on my page. There we go. Okay. So we're doing the Borda count, and we have to basically give out points. So the best thing to do is develop a little point system. And this is how I like to handle the Borda count. So what I'll do is I'll put down cookies and cream. And then I'm going to write a little 3 out here and make a parenthesis. Now, I'm going to put the number of top votes that cookies and cream, I'm going to put that right in that spot. And 3 points are going to go for every one of those votes. So then I'll do a 2 for all the second place votes. And then I'm going to do a 3 for all the third place votes. And I think I have to adjust the zoom. Apologies. Let's go out here. There we go. Perfect. So there we go. All right. So I'm looking here, and I'm just going to focus all my attention on the cookies and cream row. So I look at these 10 people, and I say, all right, these 10 voted number 1 for cookies and cream. So I'm going to put a 10 in that little spot. Then I look at these 9 people, and they also ranked cookies and cream the number 1 ice cream flavor. So they're going to get another 9 number 1 votes. Okay, so remember, this is first place, this is second place, and then, oh, I put a 3. That's, okay, see, we are doing this live, folks. Mistakes are possible. I'm a human. All right, and then here, third place. Okay, so again, 3 points for every first place, 2 points for every second, and 1 point for every third. So we have made our way through 2 columns. We're going to look at these 4 people now. So these 4 people, they ranked cookies and cream as their second ice cream flavor. So we're going to put a 4 in that spot. Then I look at these 2 people. They said cookies and cream was their second choice as well. So there's 2 more. And then we have these 3 people said cookies and cream was their least favorite. So 3 people in there. And then these 2 people also said cookies and cream was their least. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this. 10 plus 9 is going to be 19. So 19 people gave cookies and cream their number 1 vote. 2 points for every second place. There were 6 people who gave cookies and cream their second place vote. And then we're going to give 1 point for every, 5 people, because there were 5 people who said that cookies and cream was their least favorite. So if we add these up, you get 19 plus 6, that's 25, and then 5 is 25. If you need that math on the side, I can do the 19 Oh, gonna slide this over. Just kidding. Okay, I will just do it here. 19 plus 6 plus 5. That makes 11. So 19 plus 11 is 30. Okay, 30. So let's figure out how many Borda points that Cookies and Cream is getting. So 3 times 19, because 3 points for every first place vote. So you could do that out on paper, or you could just grab a calculator like I'm doing right now. So 3 times 19, and I get 57 points. Okay. So then 2 points for every the second place votes. So that's 12. And then 5 points because only 5 people voted them as the third. So 57, I'm going to add it to the 12 plus the 5, and we get 74 total. Okay, so the 74 is the Borda count for Cookies and Cream. Okay, so we now have to just do that 2 more times. So I'm going to make a little spot here, and then we're going to say mint chocolate chip. Okay, so again, I'm going to set this up, and I'm going to have all my places for my number of, I did the 3 again. I don't know what it is about the 3. All right, hold on. We're going to get a new piece. We're going to get a new piece of paper. I'm telling you, I'm doing it live. All right, let's try again. Mint chocolate chip. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. All right, so again, we're going to go for the first place votes here, second place votes here, and third place votes there. So this is mint chocolate chip. I'm only going to focus in on mint chocolate chip here. I'll even do a little highlight here just to draw your attention to those numbers, okay? So mint chocolate chip. These 10 people said mint chocolate chip was their second choice. So we're going to put those 10 right here. 10. 9 people said mint chocolate chip was their third choice. So we're going to do 9 over there. So 4 people said mint chocolate chip was their first. 2 people said mint chocolate chip was their third. 3 people said mint chocolate chip was their favorite. And then 2 people said mint chocolate chip was their second favorite. Okay, so those are all our vote tallies. Now 3 times 7 plus 2 times 12, and then plus 1 times 11. Okay, so we're calculating the Borda total for mint chocolate chip. We see 21. 3 times 7 is 21. Then 2 times 12 is going to give us 24. And then 1 times 11 is 11. Okay, so let's see, 21 plus 24, that's going to give us 5. So 45 plus the 11 is going to give us 56. All right, so 56 is the Borda total for mint chocolate chip. So you can see Cookies and Cream is in the lead. I'm going to guess, based on the performance of Strawberry in the past two different the 2 different voting methods, it's not looking good for Strawberry because of how little votes Strawberry actually received, but we will see. Maybe, you never know, because with different voting methods, you'll find different results. So, okay, let's try this for Strawberry. So here we've got Strawberry, and we're going to do 3 points, 2 points, and 1 point. And again, this is first place, second place, third place. Right? So there is an inverse relationship there. Points go down, places go up. Okay, so these 10 people, Strawberry was their least favorite. So 10 for third place votes. Then 9 people said Strawberry was their second. So we're going to give 9 there. 4 people said it was their least favorite. So there's another 4 for least favorite. And then 2 said it was their favorite. 3 people said it was their second favorite. And 2 people said strawberry was their number 1. Okay, so 3 points for every first place vote. It looks like they got 4 first place votes. And then 2 points for every second place vote. This is 12. And then 1 point for every third place vote, and that's 14. Okay, so you can see the numbers are a little lower because we just don't have the type of volume we had with cookies and cream earlier. So 3 times 4 is going to give us 12. 2 times 12 is 24. Sorry, getting ahead of myself. And then another 14. So let's see, we've got 12 plus 24. That will give us 36. And then 36 plus 14 is going to give us an even 50. Okay. So what I like about the Borda count is that you see that if we sort of give all these points out, it turns out that mint chocolate chip and strawberry aren't nearly as far away as some would think, right? I mean, based on this over here, I guess you can see 7 first place, 4 first place over here. But once you get rid of strawberry in that runoff, you start to think, oh well, who cares about strawberry? But the board account actually gives strawberry some cred. So, um, it kind of just shows that cookies and cream is a clear winner, but then mint chocolate chip and strawberry are really close in terms of who ranked them first, second, and third. So let me put that in the winners, cookies and cream. And I like to say how many votes or how many points for board account they received. And yeah, I think that's it. So what we're gonna do is we'll talk about this in office hours. Well, that was the period 3 notebook. So we will talk about this in office hours, and we'll review some new examples maybe, and we'll get going on voting methods. So there's really only 2 other ones we'll have to talk about, and those will be videos coming at you soon. Okay, so I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon.